So you can see that train identification number S1 with speed limit, it is showing at the starting point of this network. For the timing, it is only one train, it is not showing anyone because I haven't started the simulator. So I will just simply, in order to see how this simulator is going to visualize or going to show you the actual scenario of current timetable, current number of vehicles, I will just go to the run button. If I am going to click this play button, it will play my simulation. So it means that the trains will start running on the network according to the timetable which has been fed by the developer. For example, if I have defined the route, the train 1 will complete this route within half hour with a speed limit of 80 miles per hour and with a dwell time of 0.5 minute or 30 seconds on each station. So, and there will be number of trains on my network. How my simulation is going to work, either it is going to show me is there any conflicting point according to my timetable, am I going to change my timetable according to the simulation result, and so on. So there are multiple of things that I can do from the simulator. So it will help me to point out the conflicting points and everything else. So I will just play this simulator now. I'm pressing this. As soon as I have played the simulator, you can see on the bottom there is a run command which is showing that the simulator is running, but we can't see where it is running. I can't see my train running. Now the reason is it is very zoomed out. I will just zoom in and I will increase the speed of my simulator. So it will just increase the running speed of simulator. As soon as I am going to change the fast forward, you can see the time rate is changed to 2. So as soon as I will keep on pressing the fast forward, the time rate will change, which means the speed of simulator is increased and the train will run very fast, and we can observe the running of train on the track. Now you can observe the train is running. See, it's moving, it's going on. It is just moving according to the design speed of each path. It is showing the details, everything, switching off, on, and it is showing the speed limit. It is showing the location of the nodes. You can see it is showing the location of node, and as soon as it will keep on moving, it will show its relevant data. So we can see now it is like running, one train running on this section of. Now it is finished. It has finished its path at the end point of this junction. Now we will see is there any other train is scheduled according to our timetable or no. We will have to wait, or either we can. Now we can see another train has started. Identification number is S8 and the speed limit is also showing. It is running on the track. Now we will see is there any conflicting point between S8 and S1. For the timing, it's okay, it's running, it's going on, everything is safe and sound, it's going well. Up to now there is no conflicting point, and S1 is not appeared on its reverse path. S8 is simply running on the track and it has reached its destination station and it is finished. Now, is there another train on the timetable? I will just simply increase the simulation speed so that we can observe. Yeah, now another train with identification number S1 is running on the track. It's running, it's going on, stopping on the stations, then starting according to the design speed, and it's can see the change in the speed, and at station it is showing 0 mile when it is stopping with the dwell time. Now you can see it is showing as pad that the driver has just crossed the signal in red position. Now another train is running on the track with another identification number, and you can see the status. The purpose of the simulation, you can see the status of the trains, how the trains are behaving on the network, is there any conflicting point, and everything. Anytime I will just stop this. Now it is showing a dwell time, and as 11 is just going on its reverse, it is showing a late time, that it is behind the schedule, and so it is late. It might have a crash with another car if there is going. We will see. So you can just increase the speed of your simulator. Okay, there is no conflict up to now except a late train. Okay, I'm just going to stop the simulator. Okay, and if I will go to the timetable section, I will click F1 timetable. Now from here you can see that what is the departure time. It's 9, and at ending point there is no time. Okay, it is running according to the design speed of the train. Now you can just modify the details of your stops. Okay, there is a 5-minute stop at the starting point. Okay, after that there is nothing. You can just change the stop time for each section. Okay, you can change the arrival departure time. Okay, so there are multiple things that you can do with the timetable. Okay, similarly there are routes, you can change the routes. There are vehicles, you can change the vehicle types, you can change their characteristics. There are train types as well. Okay, now belief section can only be used if your model is working according to ETCS system. You can change from traditional signaling control system to other modeling system such as ETCS or any other. Okay, which you can do from file, go to the preference or patches. Under patches you can apply just ETCS model. Okay, so this is just a brief introduction how you can develop a complete network of your signaling system using the Brave simulator. The files which Brave simulator supports are you can immediately use the KSM file, their other version of Railsys file which you can import or export. You can see what type of files you can import and what type of files you can export, what are the formats that are supported by this simulator. Okay, you can export different other maps, and then you can develop your whole network according to that map. So this is very interesting simulator which is helping signaling professional to develop the whole network before going to actual field with their design without knowing the impact of that design on the traffic. So it is quite interesting thing to do. So that's all for today's lecture, and we will try to explore some more things about railway system in my coming lecture. So stay tuned, like my channel and subscribe my channel. Thank you. That's all.